Hello everyone and welcome to Master Martini Lab. Today we are going to make a mousse cake using our gourmand chocolate line. So let's do it. So the ingredients for the mousse cake are the pre-soaked gelatin, the gourmand chocolate, the milk and the cream. I'm going to proceed to whip up the whipping cream now. We need to have soft medium peak so that our ganache can blend well with the whipping cream. I'm going to place the mousse in the piping bag and we will start building the mousse cake. So how are we going to build the mousse cake will be first layer of mousse, then a layer of sponge, another layer of mousse, a layer of jelly, another layer of mousse, and we are going to close the mold with a last layer of sponge cake.